All right, we're on Island Traverse. This trail basically V's off Andyland as you're climbing to the top. And then we come out at Nettles Alley. First run on this trail, we're gonna see what it's like. It's basically a connector trail. Let's try this out. Let's do it. I don't know how tight these corners can be, so we'll find out. Ooh. Corners are tight. A little bench there. Oh, a little punchy spot. Not a corner you want to overshoot, that's for sure. All right. And there she goes. That is Island Traverse. All right.